Hello students, welcome to my channel once again. So in this video, we are going to continue synthesis of aldehydes and ketones. For your information, I have written here continuation, don't get confused. Okay, so in the previous method, we have learned 3 methods and today, in this video, we are going to learn more 3 videos. Okay, now let me tell you the 4th method, that is by the dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. Okay, so let me show you the reaction. CH3 C double bond O, O, CH3 C double bond O, O, Ca. Okay, so this is called as calcium acetate. So this we are going to take 2 molecules, the same molecule we take here, Ca, O, C double bond O, CH3, O, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, so this is also calcium acetate, this is also calcium acetate. What is calcium acetate and how it is formed? That calcium acetate is calcium salt of acetic acid. See here the heading is dry distillation of calcium salts of carboxylic acids. Okay, so here the carboxylic acid taken is acetic acid and the salt taken is calcium salt of acetic acid. So how it is formed? Here I will show you. Have a look students. This is acetic acid CH3COOH, CH3COOH. Okay. So 2 molecules of acetic acid are taken and this on reaction with calcium hydroxide CaOH twice. Okay. So CaOH twice can be split into Ca plus 2 and 2 OH minus ions. Okay. Now here the bond breaks up when these two react and H plus OH minus, H plus OH minus. So total 2 water molecules are coming outside and what remains? Ca plus 2 remains. So Ca plus 2 links with these 2 molecules forming calcium acetate. So have a look here. CH3 C double bond O, O, Ca, O, C double bond O, CH3. So another method is also there for the preparation of calcium acetate. Same acetic acid is taken here, but it is reacted with, what is this? CaCO3. It can be dissociated into Ca plus 2 and CO3 minus 2. When these two react, the bond here breaks up and here also the bond breaks up and what happens from the CO3 minus 2, carbon dioxide comes out and 1 oxygen remains. That oxygen combines with these 2 hydrogens and comes out as H2O. So minus CO2 and minus H2O. What remains? Ca plus 2. This Ca plus 2 comes and links over here forming calcium acetate. Okay. So this just for your information I have given you. Fine. Now, so for our method, dry distillation, calcium acetate is taken 2 molecules and when these 2 molecules are heated, what happens is, see, so like this, the bonds break up. So, what are the molecules that are coming out? 2 molecules of calcium carbonate. Okay. So, 2 CaCO3. CO3. Fine. So, what remains? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. 1 molecule of acetone and CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So, forming 2 molecules of acetone, 2 CH3, CO, CH3. Okay. So now, how to prepare acetaldehyde using the same method? I will show you. Taking again calcium acetate. But here we change the molecule or compound as CaO, C double bond O, H, O, C double bond O, H. Okay. Now this is the calcium salt of formic acid and it is called as calcium formate. Okay. So this is calcium acetate and this is calcium formate. So the bonds break same as shown in the above reaction. That means on heating, two molecules of calcium carbonate will be coming out and forming CH3 C double bond OH. That is two molecules of acetaldehyde will be obtained. I am writing the name here, acetaldehyde. Okay. So in this way you can prepare ketones and aldehydes, changing the salts of that is calcium salts of carboxylic acids. If you take two molecules of calcium acetate, we get acetone. If we take one molecule of calcium acetate and one molecule of calcium formate, by reacting these two or by distilling these two, we get two molecules of acetaldehyde. This is the fourth method. Next, coming to fifth method. Fifth method is treatment of alcohols with copper at 300 degrees centigrade. Treatment of alcohols with copper at 300 degrees centigrade. Now, so how to prepare aldehydes and ketones using this method? Let me take CH3 CH2OH. Can you name this compound? It is called as ethyl alcohol and it comes under a primary alcohol. Okay. So this on treatment with copper and heating up to 300 degrees centigrade, we get CH3 C double bond OH plus H2. Okay. So removal of hydrogens from ethyl alcohol. So one hydrogen from here and one hydrogen from oxygen are removed as hydrogen. So the remaining compound is called as acetaldehyde. Okay. Next, how to prepare ketones using this method? Taking CH3, CH, OH, CH3. What is the name of this compound? This is isopropyl alcohol. It comes under secondary alcohols. Try to note the difference between primary and secondary alcohols. So this on treatment with copper, same heating up to 300 degrees centigrade, one hydrogen from here and one hydrogen from here comes out as one hydrogen from here and one hydrogen from here comes out as H2 gas plus H2. Okay. And it is called as acetone. Okay. So this is the method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones using primary alcohol and secondary alcohol on treatment with copper and heating up to 300 degrees centigrade. This is the fifth method. Next, coming to the sixth method. What is the sixth method? Oxidation of primary alcohols. Okay. Under sixth method, mark it as A. on oxidation of primary alcohols. I think now you know what a primary alcohol is. So CH3, CH2OH. This is a primary alcohol. You can write its name also. I am not writing here. So this on oxidation using PCC. What is PCC? Pyridinium chlorochromate in the presence of methylene chloride. This acts as an oxidizing agent and this is a solvent. So primary alcohols on oxidation in the presence of pyridinium chlorochromate and methylene chloride yields CH3CHO. Okay, this is acetaldehyde. Next, how to prepare ketones? By the oxidation of secondary alcohols. So remember, taking primary alcohols, we can synthesize aldehydes. Taking secondary alcohols, we can synthesize ketones. Okay, so taking CH3, CHOH, CH3 on oxidation with the help of the same reagents as used above, we can prepare acetone. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Okay, so with this we completed the methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Total 6 methods are there. Kindly watch the previous method for the first 3 methods and in this video the last 3 methods, 4th, 5th and 6th methods. Those are viewing my channel for the first time, please like, share with your friends and also subscribe. Thank you.